Point 1. Purpose of CNC machine. Wire bending CNC machines of the ElectroTorg Machinery Company brand are designed for the production of products from wire, rod, strip with the possibility of production in 2 strands. CNC 2D bending machines are used for the production of flat parts. Manufacturing of parts is allowed from a coil of wire, with alignment by straightening before feeding into bending, or from separate fragments, strips, rods, and so on. Parts are produced in automatic mode, which is controlled by numerical control from the machine control panel. The operation of the CNC machine is possible without an operator. ElectroTorg machines are equipped with sensors and separate software that do not allow the machine to go into an unprogrammed or emergency mode. Point 2. General technical data and characteristics. Today, machines for 2D bending of wire and strip parts are produced both serially, with wire sections from 2 to 6 mm, and according to individual customer requirements. Such requirements may be other wire cross-sections, from 0.4 mm to rods of 25 mm, CNC reinforcement bending machines. By wire material, stainless and black steels, nichrome, spring and other alloys. In the classic serial version, this CNC 2D bending machine has the following dimensions. Machine with dimensions 3 by 1, 3 by 0, 9 meters. Unwinding device 0, 9 by 0, 9 by 1, 3 meters at a lifting capacity of up to 650 kilograms. The machine can also be used as a straightening and cutting machine. Straightening feed speed up to 55 meters per minute. The bending speed is up to 360 degrees per second. Accuracy, up to 1 millimeter. The total capacity of the serial machine varies from 5 to 7 kilowatts. The default voltage is 220 volts, but at the request of the customer it can also be performed under a voltage of 380 volts. All rubbing surfaces of the straightening block, die, broaching block, guides are made of tool, heat-hardened steel. The cutoff knife is made of tool steel with a surface hardness of at least 65 Rockwell units. The knife is made with replaceable cutting plates. The possibility of using special alloys for replaceable cutting inserts, hardness 89, 92 units according to Rockwell. Point 3. Convenience of CNC. Since third-party machine software is not upgradable and inconvenient enough for versatile 2D wire bending tasks, ElectroTorg has developed its own software and controller to implement a user-friendly program interface for using the machine. Convenient additional functions for the user-operator are the ability to manually produce one part, the ability to produce a series of parts with different quantities, machine safety, accident and shutdown control, built-in meters for wire consumption and scrap consumption, built-in counters of operating time, built-in control and debugging of machine units, which include reduction ratios, setting the maximum possible backlash, setting the maximum tolerances of machine accuracy, when exceeding which the machine will suspend operation and give a timely signal to the operator. The usability of the CNC machine also includes recording in the software the speed of parts creation, indication and setting of compensation angles and springback angles of the processed metal. In CNC machines from ElectroTorg under the ElectroTorg Machinery Company trademark, the possibility of parallel operation of units, servo motors, stepper motors, is realized, which in most cases during the production of a part gives a significant acceleration of production, on average up to 30% time savings. Point 4. Completeness of the machine. The complete set of a serial 2D machine includes sets of straightening rollers, sets of rollers for the broaching unit, sets of guide dies, sets of pressure plates, sets of replaceable bending punches and punches holders for wire diameter 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 mm. 2D machines are equipped with 15-inch touch monitors. At the request of the buyer, the following options are possible. Increasing the lifting capacity of the unwinding device to a ton or more. Motorization of the unwinder. Spot welding station on the machine. Equipment of the machine with a robotic manipulator. Additional optional device, wire beveler or thread rolling. Also, at the request of the customer, the machine can be made with wire feed both on the left and on the right. All machines and bay holders are installed on vibration mountings. The CNC and automation board is made to IP56. Together with the machine, drawings of rollers and punches, as well as seats for rollers and punches, are provided in order to be able to conveniently and quickly produce these parts by the client himself. Point 5. Service and warranty. The manufacturing company gives a 1-year warranty. The technical support department works with users in 2 directions. Electronic part, as well as software upgrades and maintenance. Maintenance of mechanical components, gearboxes and so on. We invite you to contact us for detailed information. We will make a CNC machine individually for you. We will ship anywhere in the world.